In the previous videos we have gone through 15 possible reasons of you not losing weight. Let us move further on to the 16th point. The 16th point says you're not eating mindfully. A technique called mindful eating may be one of the world's most powerful weight loss tools. It involves slowing down, eating without distraction, savoring and enjoying each bite, while listening to the natural signals that tell your brain when your body has had enough. Numerous studies have shown that mindful eating can cause significant weight loss and reduce the frequency of binge eating. 36 trusted source, 37 trusted source, 38 trusted source, 39 trusted source. Here are some tips to eat more mindfully. A. Eat with zero distractions, sitting down at a table with just your food. B. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. Try to be aware of the colors, smells, flavors and textures. C. When you begin to feel full, drink some water and stop eating. Always eat mindfully when trying to lose weight. Mindless eating is one of the main reasons people struggle to lose weight. 17. You have a medical condition that is making things harder. There are some medical conditions that can drive weight gain and make it much harder to lose weight. These include hypothyroidism, polycystic ovarian syndrome (PCOS), and sleep apnea. Certain medications can also make weight loss harder, or even cause weight gain. If you think any of these apply to you, speak to your doctor about your options. Medical conditions like hypothyroidism, sleep apnea and PCOS may be hindering your weight loss efforts. 18. You're addicted to junk food. According to a 2014 study, about 19.9% of people in North America and Europe satisfy the criteria for food addiction. People who have this problem use junk food in a similar way as drug addicts use drugs. If you are addicted to junk food, then simply eating less or changing your diet can seem downright impossible. Here's how to get help. If you have strong food cravings or food addiction, weight loss can be very difficult. Consider seeking professional help. 19. You've been starving yourself for too long. It may not be a good idea to diet for too long. If you've been losing weight for many months and you've hit a plateau, then perhaps you just need to take a break. Up your calorie intake by a few hundred calories per day, sleep more and lift some weights with the goal of getting stronger and gaining a bit of muscle. Aim to maintain your body fat levels for 1 to 2 months before you start trying to lose weight again. If you have reached a weight loss plateau, you may simply have been dieting for too long. Maybe it's time to take a break. 20. Your expectations are unrealistic. Weight loss is generally a slow process. Many people lose patience before reaching their end goal. Although it is often possible to lose weight fast in the beginning, very few people can continue to lose weight at a rate of more than 1 to 2 pounds per week. Another major problem is that many people have unrealistic expectations of what is achievable with a healthy diet and exercise. The truth is, not everyone can look like a fitness model or bodybuilder. The photos you see in magazines and other places are often enhanced. If you have already lost some weight and you feel good about yourself, but the scale doesn't seem to want to budge any further, then perhaps you should start working on accepting your body the way it is. At some point, your weight is going to reach a healthy set point where your body feels comfortable. Trying to go beyond that may not be worth the effort, and may even be impossible for you. People's expectations are sometimes unrealistic when it comes to weight loss. Keep in mind that losing weight takes time and not everyone can look like a fitness model. 21. You're too focused on dieting. Diets almost never work in the long term. If anything, studies actually show that people who diet gain more weight over time. Instead of approaching weight loss from a dieting mindset, make it your primary goal to become a happier, healthier and fitter person. Focus on nourishing your body instead of depriving it, and let weight loss follow as a natural side effect. Dieting is not a long-term solution. If you wish to lose weight and keep it off in the long term, focus on adopting healthier lifestyle habits. Our final verdict: the bottom line is weight loss is not always easy and numerous factors can bring it to a standstill. At the most basic level, weight loss failure occurs when calorie intake is equal to or higher than calorie expenditure. Try strategies ranging from mindful eating to keeping a food diary, from eating more protein to doing strength exercises. In the end, changing your weight and your lifestyle require dedication, self-discipline, perseverance and resilience. However, if you really feel that you are not able to lose weight despite your best, sincere efforts, then check out for a link in the description box below for our most recommended technique to lose weight. Take care.